G'day people, how you going? What's this thingamajig called? Yeah, some type of thingamajig. Oh, I can't forget the name. Do you know what it is? Have a look at it. Thingamajig. So, in Australia, I just didn't introduce myself. My name is Glenn and I teach words that we speak in Australia. As well, I'm an all-round dickhead. So, this in Australia, if you don't know the name of it, we call it a thingamajig. So, yeah, in Australia, this thingamajig is a thingamajig. You use it to brush your hair. So, I can't remember what the name is. So, if you can't remember what the name is, you call it a thingamajig. And you can apply this to any type of object that is not alive. So, you can call... I suppose you can call this a thingamajig. You can call this a... we wouldn't actually apply it to this thingamajig really. You can apply it to tools. Thingamajig. Oh, what's that thingamajig? I needed to unscrew the bolts. Oh, I can't remember what it's called. Or, yeah, what else can you apply to? This one. Toilet brush. Thingamajig. And what is this? What's this thingamajig here? So, a thingamajig. It is what you call something when you don't know the name. So when you come to Australia, if you don't know what something is called, you call it a thingamajig. Put that away. And it's called a thing. And, I don't know what a majig comes from. Maybe it's just another slang word in a slang sentence. So that is the word today. When you come to Australia, if you're in Australia and you don't know it, I'll be surprised. Thingamajig. Hear it, learn it, and don't forget it. Bye bye.